Have you ever wondered where creativity comes from, or how it manifests in the world around us? It's a question that has puzzled thinkers for centuries, and yet the answer might be simpler than you think. Creativity, at its very heart, is a journey of discovery, a transformation of inner energy into the external world. It's like the palpable excitement that morphs into a wide grin, the nervous energy that transforms into fidgety fingers, or the adrenaline rush that culminates in shaking hands. Each is an emotion, an inner energy, finding its outward expression. But how do we navigate this journey? How do we channel this inner energy into a tangible form? That's the crux of creative thinking. It starts with recognizing a challenge. How to effectively translate this inner emotional energy into a chosen external form. This challenge is like a spark, igniting the creative process. To take on this challenge, we must first understand the nature and origins of our inner energy. What fuels it? What triggers it? It's about acknowledging its presence and forming a mental vision of it. This vision, as hazy or vivid as it may be, serves as your guiding light on this creative journey. It's your compass, pointing you in the right direction. Embrace this vision, even if it's imperfect or enigmatic. It's the key to authentic creativity. Picture a burst of happiness, a jubilant moment from your past. Now imagine turning that happiness into a song. Your vision takes form, an upbeat melody, a major key, a driving beat, distorted guitars, an anthem-style chorus. It's your North Star, guiding you through the creative wilderness. The creative journey is an ongoing process of search and discovery. Each step you take, every idea you explore, is a piece of the puzzle coming together. So as we delve deeper into the mysteries of creativity, keep this in mind. Creativity is not just about creating something, it's about discovering something. It's about unearthing the treasures within you and sharing them with the world. Now that we have our compass, what does the journey look like? Well, it's a voyage that unfolds like a grand adventure, a journey into the wilderness of creativity, where the only map is your vision and the only guide is your instinct. Imagine you're an explorer, venturing into an uncharted realm of sounds, words, and scapes. These are the elements of your creative world, each one offering a piece of the puzzle that you're trying to solve. Sounds become your vocabulary, words your dialogue, and scapes your scenery. It's a dynamic exploration into the unknown. The creative process is like a treasure hunt, a continuous search and discovery mission. In every corner, there's a potential gem waiting to be unearthed, a melody to be composed, a brushstroke to be painted, a line to be written. Each discovery brings you one step closer to your vision. The beauty of this journey is in its unpredictability. You might find a haunting melody in the whisper of the wind, a profound lyric in an overheard conversation, or a striking image in the dance of shadows and light. It's a thrilling adventure, full of surprises and revelations. This exploration is not always a smooth sail. There might be moments of uncertainty and doubt, where the sea of options seems overwhelming. But remember, it's the rough waves that make a skilled sailor. Embrace these challenges as they come. They are not setbacks, but stepping stones, leading you closer to your vision. And in this journey, your vision acts as your compass. It keeps you aligned, ensuring you don't drift aimlessly in the vast ocean of possibilities. It guides you, helping you make decisions that resonate with your inner self. It's the lighthouse in the fog, the North Star in the dark night, guiding you toward your creative destination. Your creative journey is an exciting adventure into the unknown, driven by the vision you formed. This journey is yours. It's a reflection of you, your vision, your passion. So let it be as unique, as adventurous, and as exciting as you are. As we navigate this journey, how do we ensure we're moving in the right direction? Here's where decision-making enters the scene. It's a pivotal element in the creative process, the rudder that helps you steer your creative ship. It's like standing at the crossroads, having to choose a path. And the choice you make, my friends, can either bring you closer to your vision or take you further away. But how do we make these decisions? It's your vision that takes the front seat here, making the decisions less overwhelming. It's like having a map in an unknown land. The clarity of your vision helps you choose the right path, the one that resonates with your inner energy, the one that leads you closer to your vision. And with every decision you make, you progress. Each choice is a step forward, a new discovery in your creative journey. It's a continuous cycle, decisions leading to progress and progress leading to more decisions. And it's this cycle that keeps you motivated, keeps you moving. Remember, it's not about making the right decision. It's about making the decision that aligns with your vision, your internal energy. It's about staying true to your creative journey, about maintaining the authenticity of your expression. Your vision is your guide, making decisions easier and leading to continuous progress. Finally, what makes this journey truly unique and personal? It is you, the individual at the helm of this creative voyage. Your vision, your exploration, your discovery. This is your story, your canvas, your symphony. As you navigate this journey, your vision takes center stage. It's your North Star, guiding you through the vast expanse of your creative process. But remember, your vision is a living entity. It's not set in stone, and it's perfectly okay for it to evolve over time. In fact, this evolution is part of the beauty of your creativity. It's a testament to your growth, your experiences, and your ever-expanding perspective. Embrace this evolution. Welcome the changes and the twists and turns. Revel in the surprises that your own creativity presents you. This is a profound process, a deeply personal journey. It's a voyage into the depths of your soul, a quest to unearth the treasures that lie within. Your creative journey is a reflection of your unique energy, your unique perspective, your unique voice. It's about finding the best way to express your inner self, your emotions, your experiences. It's a voyage of discovery and a testament to your inner energy. So, set sail on your creative odyssey and let your vision shape the world around you.